Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another demo. So in this video, I'm going to demo this really awesome model designed by Jeremy Shafer. Check it out. This is an awesome model too. I'm really excited about it. It's an origami light switch, and see, check it out. Here's the back side. Yep, and it actually works. Check this out. How cool is that? Yeah, this is an awesome model. Yep. And it's a really nice fidget toy. And yeah, wow, it's already getting addicting now. I'm gonna make more of these too in the future. Yeah, and here it is. And I folded this model from a 7-inch square of kami like this. And yeah. And now, I'm gonna try and make another one, and I'm gonna use decorative kami this time. I'm gonna use chiogami patterns. Yep, maybe I'll use this color. Alright. And I just did it. Check this out. Isn't that cool or what? Yeah. This is probably one of my favorite fidget toys he's made. So yeah. So there it is. And here's a tutorial to learn how to make it. And yeah. Alright. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.